REOLINK Video Doorbell Wi-Fi. Also, to set up the Wi-Fi, set it up with Wi-Fi. Power on the doorbell. Insert and tighten the screws. And plug the power adapter in board with the network cable. To add your doorbell automatically, doorbell and the add device on the screen. You can choose to add the doorbell manually on the doorbell. Lastly, and name your go to the settings page of the Wi-Fi you would like to connect your camera. The doorbell. Insert the spade. Tighten the screws. Then the power adapter into a power. The Add Device button and Wi-Fi network for your doorbell. Make sure your doorbell
REOLINK. Please install
Tap Next. Then use the doorbell sound. Now your doorbell is
needed.
Tick the option doorbell. Create the device. You will see the status light flash. Your chime has been successful. Make sure tips before the installation. In the field of view, as walls may for best coverage, you are recommended to you can choose to install the video and drill holes as through the mounting plate into the wall. Fix the doorbell to the mount. First, put the mounting template on the wiring. Next, then run mounting plate. Done. On your REOLINK app.
Monitor your home with the smart video weather resistant against rain, night vision. The smart video door wide angle lens. Monitor your home